What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dallas coming to you again with another YouTube video. This video is a bit different. It's a cooking video, an easy meatball recipe tutorial for your Instant Pot. So check it out. If you like this video, give it that thumbs up and also subscribe for more content like this in the future. These are all the ingredients you're going to need for this recipe. The list is in the description below. First, you're going to start off with a pound of ground beef, followed by half a pound of ground pork, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, two teaspoons of Slap Ya Mama, Cajun Creole seasoning, 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper, 1/3 cup of Italian breadcrumb, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/3 cup of whole milk, and finally 1 large beaten egg. Gonna add that to your mixture, and then you're going to use your hands to get that all together, that good togetherness going. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up until you have a texture that's similar to the texture I have right here. Next, we're going to mess with our sauces. So 40 ounces of sauce total is the minimum recommended amount. I had to buy 2 jars for that. So I add those 2 jars to my Instant Pot. The Instant Pot's not on yet, but I'm just adding them to the bowl. And I'm going to stir them because I bought 2 different types of sauces. I'd recommend you stir anyway to get the mixture going. So next up, we're going to ball our meatball and we're gonna put those into our bowl until we run out of meat. You're going to end up with a view like this. Hot tip, I'd say don't use all of your sauce if you can, so that you can pour the remaining bit of your sauce on top of your meatballs, as well as a cup of water, because you want them to be soaked thoroughly and not to be dry. So you're going to close your lid and set your Instant Pot to the sealing position. And you're going to plug her in. You're going to click the manual setting and also adjust the time to 10. Once the Instant Pot is heat up to the fullest potential, it will on itself, and then it will count down until it reaches 0, 0, 0. This part's very important. Do not use your actual hand. I recommend using a towel, finding like the best method of releasing the steam from your Instant Pot, because it's very, very hot. So have like a kitchen towel with you so that you can put it on top of the hot steam as it releases the pressure. So that's the result you're going to be ending up with, is some hot, fresh meatballs straight from the Instant Pot. Yeah, I'm just gonna make a little dinner right quick. And if you like this video, please give it that thumbs up, and also comment. Let me know if you like videos like this, so I can make more or stop making them completely. And also subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Really appreciate it. Thanks.